Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, a weir 12 inches deep discharges 7,394 gallons of water per minute. How many gallons of water would be discharged in 743 minutes? Here we have given gallons of water discharged per minute is 7,394 gallons of water. So to find the gallons of water discharged in 743 minutes is given by 743 into gallons of water discharged per minute, that is 7,394. Do that multiplication. 7,394 into 743. Now to do that multiplication, start with the units place of that multiplier. Means multiply 7,394 by 3. So 3 4s are 12, 1 carry forward. 9 3s are 27 plus 1 is 28, 2 carry forward. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 carry forward. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 is 22. Add 0 to the units place. 4 4s are 16, 1 carry forward. 9 4s are 36 plus 1 is 37, 3 carry forward. 4 3s are 12 plus 3 is 15, 1 carry forward. 7 4s are 28 plus 1 is 29. Now add 0 to the units place and tens place and multiply by 7. 7 4s are 28, 2 carry forward. 7 9s are 63 plus 2 is 65, 6 carry forward. 7 3s are 21 plus 6 is 27, 2 carry forward. 7 7s are 49 plus 2 is 51. Now add these two values. We get 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 6 is 14, 1 carry over. 8 plus 8 plus 1 is 17, 1 carry over. 5 plus 5 plus 3 is 13, 1 carry over. 9 plus 1 plus 9 means 19, 1 carry over. 2 plus 2 is 4 and that 5 as it is. So here it is 5,493,472 gallons of water discharged in 743 minutes. So our correct option is option B, which is 5,493,742 gallons of water.